Hello, budding historians. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, where we make history come alive. Buckle up your backpacks and get ready for a yummy adventure through time. Today, we are zipping back to the 1500s, when two worlds bumped into each other like friends at a big picnic, Europe and the America. Back then, in Europe, things were kind of bland. Imagine people bustling in markets, bakers filling houses with the yummy smell of bread, and kids playing tag like little butterflies. But their meals, though hearty, were plain as a bowl of oatmeal. They longed for spices that danced on the tongue and fruits that burst with sunshine. Meanwhile, across the vast ocean, in the Americas, nature had painted a feast for the senses. Imagine jungles bursting with juicy tomatoes like red lanterns, fields overflowing with golden corn like mountains of sunshine, and parrots squawking like cheerful pirates in the trees. Their meals were a rainbow of flavors, from sweet pineapples to earthy potatoes, but they craved something else: strong horses to gallop across plains and tools that sang with the clang of metal. Then, like brave pirates charting a new course, explorers like Christopher Columbus sailed through the unknown, pushing the horizon with their sails. Two worlds met, and it was like the biggest food swap ever. Let's delve into the treasures exchanged between these two worlds. Visualize a world without tomatoes, potatoes, or chocolate. European explorers brought these and many more delights to the Americas. Meanwhile, Native Americans shared corn, potatoes, and tobacco, introducing an array of new flavors and crops to the Old World. Take a peek into daily life during this era. Families on both sides of the Atlantic started to cook, dress, and live differently. But it wasn't just plants, the exchange extended to animals too. European settlers brought horses, cows, and pigs to the Americas, reshaping the way Native Americans lived. Conversely, llamas, turkeys, and guinea pigs made their way to Europe, adding diversity to European agriculture and cuisine. Europeans brought their horses, like trusty steeds for adventure, and tools that clinked like pirate swords. But they also brought unwanted guests, diseases that spread faster than a whisper in the wind. Even the happiest pirate party has some stormy moments. The diseases brought by Europeans swept through Native American communities, leaving scars like a rough storm at sea. Cultures sometimes clashed, like waves against rocky shores, reminding us that understanding between different people takes time and patience. The big food swap taught us important lessons. It showed us that sharing flavors opens hearts, that learning from one another enriches our lives, and that even the most distant lands can become friends over a plate of delicious food. So, next time you bite into a juicy burger, savor a spicy curry, or sip a steaming mug of hot cocoa, remember the incredible journey of the big food swap. It's a reminder that our world, like a magnificent ship sailing the seas of time, is filled with different flavors, cultures, and stories waiting to be discovered and shared. As we wrap up this captivating journey through the Columbian exchange, reflect on how a single voyage across the ocean sparked a revolution. If you've enjoyed this exploration, give us a thumbs up, share the knowledge with your friends, and ensure you are subscribed for more riveting lessons. Until next time, keep the curiosity alive and happy learning.